Hello, hi, this is Leon again from Delaware Buick GMC. I just want to give you a quick look at this Buick Cascada. Some little information, little details about it. All right, stay tuned. 2017 Buick Cascada, premium, parking sensors up front, very nice, Summit white, black interior, black top. All right, got beautiful, nice 20-inch alloy wheels on the vehicle, your side marker on the side. 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter, parking sensors, backup camera. And here's your interior with a nice white stitching on the leather. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the top for you. Put your top down. Any questions, reach out 954-553-0489. Thank you again and have a nice day.